This video is going to talk about how to edit the homepage menu. Once you're able to log in from the dashboard, on the left panel, go to Appearance and then go to Menus. You'd be able to see there different options. Make sure that you're in the header menu or the primary menu. You can see this at the top and also at the bottom where it says primary menu. The menu structure will show the current tabs that you have at the moment. So for this page, we have Home, Pricing, Design Ideas, and Contact Us, and the button. On the left side, you'd be able to see different options where you can add pages, you can add posts, you can add custom links, and you can add categories. If you would want to add a page in the menu structure, just click on the page that you want to add, for instance this, and then click on Add to Menu. Now you'll be able to see the new page that we've just added. You can drag this up or down. Now if you would want this page to appear under all of these main pages, you can drag it to the right and it will appear as a subcategory or a sub-item in the menu bar. You can add other pages as well and add it again as another submenu. Now if you would want to add posts, it's the same way. Just highlight the post that you want to add and then click on Add Menu. If you would want to add a custom link, you can do that as well. For instance, if you would want to add your Facebook page, you can just add the text here and then click Add to Menu. This is where it would appear. You can also click on Add Categories and the same process, put a check mark and then click Add to Menu. Once you're done organizing the pages, click on Save Menu and then you can go back to the home page and refresh the home page, and all the new tabs and sub tabs would be seen here.